and get things rolling. Field got opened up last night. We called that a good stopping point. Check the oil, antifreeze, some of the basics. Also check our tires, see how our deer antler situation is. And should be just a quick service and go, not a long one. Rain on the way. The guys are ready to get this thing knocked out. Let's get to it. Our deer antler lost 10 pounds overnight. We're airing it up. We're just gonna keep airing it up till the end. Heck with it. So we'll see how that goes. Down the deer antler. And a tire. And it's leaking. Do that, we fire up the generator air compressor.